Why can't I follow anyone on TikTok? So first is you have to go to your TikTok application. So first is you have to go to your TikTok application and it will actually lead you here to your home page. Now, the next thing that you want to do is to go to your profile. So on the bottom part, you will see profile there. You just have to tap on that. You can't follow anyone on TikTok. You have to make sure that your mobile data or your Wi-Fi is actually strong or very stable so that you can follow someone on TikTok. Now, if it's stable and you still can't follow anyone, all you have to do next is to go here on your profile, and on the upper right you will see the three dash lines there. You have to tap on that and go to settings and privacy. Now under settings and privacy, you can go to the cache and cellular section there and just tap on free up space. Now if it's still not working or you still can't follow anyone on TikTok after doing that, then you can go here to support and about and then report a problem. Now before that, you can actually screenshot your problem, or you can actually screen record it for a bit. Now go back here. You just have to choose the problem that you have. So go to follow likes and comments, or comments, and tap on unable to follow a user. Now you will hear it's actually the same process that I've actually taught you. So just tap on no, and they will actually have this need more help. Tap on that. You will have to explain your problem, saying you can follow anyone on TikTok after doing the process that they actually gave. And then here you will have to attach your photo. Now after doing that, you will have to press on submit, and basically you have to wait up until a maximum of 48 hours for TikTok community to actually reply and attend your problem or fix your problem. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. And thank you for watching.